Him, where are you going?
I'm going to new mom and dad's house.
Yeah? Where they live?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, what are you taking with you?
No one.
What are you taking with you?
The pictures.
Right here. Oh, you've got Mommy and Daddy. I have a picture of baby Mason. I have a picture of Sooner Bee and Mommy and Daddy and Ethan. Back in our happier days. Yeah, and what's this? What's this, Ethan? What's in your backpack?
All of my stuff.
All your stuff? What stuff?
Mine.
Yeah. You okay? I'll tell Daddy you say goodbye. Okay? Okay. You okay? You ready? Okay.
Let's go.
You're gonna miss Mason? I'm sure he'll miss you too. Who's that?
Mason.
Can you give him a kiss? Okay, let's put him down. Let's put your socks on. Did you put your socks on?
Not yet. Where's my socks?
I handed them to you. Hey.
I want a big hug before I go.
You want a big hug before you go? Okay. I will give you a big hug before you go. There you go. Goodbye. Can I have a hug? I love you, baby. Okay, you be good for your new mommy and daddy.
How about the next house next door? That one?
No, they don't have any kids. They wouldn't have any toys. I don't know, Ethan. You wanted to run away. You don't want to run away anymore?